B-cell lymphoma, Wikipedia article audio. The B-cell lymphomas are types of lymphoma affecting B cells. Lymphomas are blood cancers in the lymph nodes. They develop more frequently in older adults and in immunocompromised individuals. B-cell lymphomas include both Hodgkin's lymphomas and most non-Hodgkin lymphomas. They are typically divided into low and high grade, typically corresponding to indolent lymphomas and aggressive lymphomas, respectively. As a generalization, indolent lymphomas respond to treatment and are kept under control with long-term survival of many years, but are not cured. Aggressive lymphomas usually require intensive treatments, with some having a good prospect for a permanent cure. Types. Common. Prognosis and treatment depends on the specific type of lymphoma as well as the stage and grade. Treatment includes radiation and chemotherapy. Early-stage indolent B-cell lymphomas can often be treated with radiation alone, with long-term non-recurrence. Early-stage aggressive disease is treated with chemotherapy and often radiation, with a 70 to 90% cure rate. Late-stage indolent lymphomas are sometimes left untreated and monitored until they progress. Late-stage aggressive disease is treated with chemotherapy, with cure rates of over 70%. There are numerous kinds of lymphomas involving B cells. The most commonly used classification system is the WHO classification, a convergence of more than one, older classification systems. 5 account for nearly 3 out of 4 patients with non-Hodgkin lymphoma. The remaining forms are much less common. Additionally, some researchers separate out lymphomas that appear to result from other immune system disorders, such as AIDS-related lymphoma. Rare. Classic Hodgkin's lymphoma and nodular lymphocyte-predominant Hodgkin's lymphoma are now considered forms of B-cell lymphoma. Chromosomal translocations involving the immunoglobulin heavy locus is a classic cytogenetic abnormality for many B-cell lymphomas, including follicular lymphoma, mantle cell lymphoma and Burkitt's lymphoma. In these cases, the immunoglobulin heavy locus forms a fusion protein with another protein that has pro-proliferative or anti-apoptotic abilities. The enhancer element of the immunoglobulin heavy locus, which normally functions to make B cells produce massive production of antibodies, now induces massive transcription of the fusion protein, resulting in excessive pro-proliferative or anti-apoptotic effects on the B cells containing the fusion protein. Other. In Burkitt's lymphoma and mantle cell lymphoma, the other protein in the fusion is c-Myc and cyclin D1, respectively, which gives the fusion protein pro-proliferative ability. In follicular lymphoma, the fused protein is BCL2, which gives the fusion protein anti-apoptotic abilities. Aggressive, Sézary disease. Associated chromosomal translocations. Diffuse large B-cell lymphoma, follicular lymphoma, marginal zone B-cell lymphoma or mucosa-associated lymphatic tissue lymphoma, small lymphocytic lymphoma, mantle cell lymphoma. DLBCL variants or subtypes of primary mediastinal large B-cell lymphoma, T-cell/histiocyte-rich large B-cell lymphoma, primary cutaneous diffuse large B-cell lymphoma, leg type, EBV-positive diffuse large B-cell lymphoma of the elderly, diffuse large B-cell lymphoma associated with inflammation. Adult T-cell leukemia/lymphoma.